Thermography, Scott Leonard, Gomyoji Drones. Today we're going to be unboxing SDI's UAS 234 Introduction to Thermography. We received the materials yesterday and let's get right into that unboxing. Alright, like I said, here we are today with the unboxing of the beginner or introduction to thermography. And this is the box that came from SDI to help support that course and learning the concepts that they have set for us. So we're going to go ahead and get into that. Okay, so we're going to get into that. And as usual, we have a packing list. And I'll go ahead and put a copy of this up on the screen. And the first item is a FLIR One Edge Pro. And here is the FLIR One Edge Pro. And yes, we have 10 paintbrushes. I'm not exactly sure how paintbrushes are going to come into thermography, but we'll find out. There's 8 canvas panels, 2, 4, 6, 8. And here we are. 8 canvas panels. Again, interesting. Acrylic paint pack. 1 acrylic paint pack. And a digital thermometer. Interesting. Okay. Well, it'll be interesting to see how SDI has developed a course to give us an introduction to thermography and using paintbrushes, canvas, some acrylic paint, and a FLIR, and a digital thermometer. I just can't wait to see what they've got next for us. Okay, until next time, I'm still waiting for the DJI RC Pro 2 to come in. They say it's in Macon, ready to be delivered. I haven't seen it yet, and we'll just see what happens, okay? Until next time, keep flying.